Hi there, welcome back to Serverhorse. In this video, I'm going to briefly go over how to change your server version or the type of server your server is. For example, if you want to switch to Spigot or Paper or Forge or Purpur or Twinity or whatever it is, there's all sorts of different options in this panel and it's very quick and easy, so let's just dive right in. So if you want to access your server, you just click this icon here on the top right hand corner underneath the client area icon, as you can see here. So if you want to go to any billing area, you can always click on the client area icon. If you want to head straight to your server, you just click this icon. You can also go to panel.serverhorse.com. So I'm just going to click this and now I see my server here. So I'm going to click on my server and then under configuration, I'm going to go to advanced. Right here, you can change the type of server your server is. For example, if you want to do Paper or Spigot or Forge, you just click that and then you can select the version. So if I want to do Paper, select the version, etc. Now, my personal recommendation would be Twinity, although Twinity is for more advanced users sometimes. But if you're wanting to have a lag-free server and really keep up on that and have no lag at all on your server, I would suggest Twinity. But if you want more stability and just a more simple way of doing it, I would go for Paper or Spigot. They're all pretty much the same, but Twinity removes a lot of lag. So, you know, if you have a lot of players on your server or you're having a lot of plugins, etc., I would go with Twinity. And Twinity has different version types. So instead of saying 1.17, it says 240, which is just the latest Twinity, which is 1.17. So you would just select that if you want the latest version. So I'd recommend that if you want no lag on your server. But for simplicity's sake, in this video, we're just going to select Spigot, and then we're going to select the version, which is 1.17. You can go pretty far back if you want. So if you want an older version, you can. And then if you want to wipe your server during the process, you can always do that. Be careful with that, because unless you have a backup, it's going to remove everything. So you can always tick this box if you want to wipe your server. That's what format means. I'm not going to in this case, since I want to keep all my data. And then I'm just going to hit install edition. And it's done. So it'll say right here, you'll be notified when it's finished installing, but it's done instantly now. So that used to be a feature where it took a little bit of time since we installed it directly from the location, but now it's instantaneous. So you do not have to wait at all. So you can instantly go over and boot up your server. And to verify that Spigot's installed, you can go to configuration, startup parameters, and look at that. It says Spigot right here. If it doesn't say that yet, make sure you go to your file management and check if the jar file is in there, and then copy that text and paste it in here and click update startup parameters. But in this case, it's all functional. It worked perfectly fine, so we don't have to do anything else. So I'm just going to boot the server and we're good to go. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next Serverhorse tutorial video.